Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will show you how to write a program to find simple interest in Python programming language when principal amount, rate of interest and time periods have been given. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video link with your friends and family member. Place the video link in your social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. In this particular video, I will write a program to find simple interest in Python programming language. First, I am opening the Python interpreter. And the formula to find the simple interest is SI is equal to PTR divided by 100. So I'll click on file in the menu bar, then I will select new file. This is where I am going to write the program. So here I will write first the comment hash program to find simple interest. Program to find simple interest, and I write the formula here just for the purpose of remembrance. SI is equal to PTR divided by 100. This is the formula. So just I have written the two comments. Then first I will use an input statement for the purpose of reading the value of P, that is the principal amount. So I will write P space equal to space float open the bracket input open the bracket within a single quotes enter the principal amount. Enter the principal amount. Okay, then one single space, close the single quotes, close the bracket. This is with respect to input, and then close the bracket with respect to conversion. Okay, so more details regarding input you can see the previous videos of input as well as the statement. Then I want to read another value, that is T, that is nothing but time period. T space equal to space take float open the bracket input open the bracket within the single quotes enter time period, that means for how many duration and interest has to be paid. One single space, close the single quotes, close the bracket. This is with respect to prompt message which we have done inside the input, and then close the bracket. This is for the purpose of converting a string to a float data type. Then another value is R, that is the rate of interest. R is equal to float within a bracket input. We can write single quotes as well as double quotes. Now I will use double quotes. Enter the rate of interest. Enter the rate of interest. Single space, double quotes close, bracket close, and then bracket close. So how we are going to read the values? For that more information you can watch the video of statement and input function in my YouTube channel of an Python programming language. Then next write down the formula. The formula is SI equal to open the bracket P space into, that is the T into space R close the bracket space divided by space 100. There is no need of giving the space, just for the purpose of visibility I have given the space. Then after the calculation we need to write an display statement. And display statement in a Python programming language we use by writing print function. The more information regarding the print function, you can watch the video in my YouTube channel of statement and print function. So now I'll write print, open bracket, within that double quotes, simple interest equal to double quotes close, comma, so that value is present in variable SI, close the bracket. Then at the same time, if you want to display principal amount, time period and rate of interest, that can also be done by using print within a bracket, principal amount is equal to double quotes close, comma, P, close the bracket. Then again print, open bracket, within a double quotes, time period is equal to double quotes close, comma, T, close the bracket. And again print, open the bracket, within a double quotes, rate of interest is equal to double quotes close, comma, so that is present in a variable R. You can use double quotes or you can use the single quotes also. So this is the program to find simple interest in Python programming language. Now I will save the program. To save the program, you need to click on file option in the menu bar. Then you need to click on the save option, or just you can press Ctrl S, the shortcut key. Then it will open a dialog box. In that dialog box, write the program name. I'll write the program name as simple INTR, that means simple interest. And extension will be, while saving you need to select save as type. So here text file, all files and Python files will be there. By default it will be an Python files. Okay, click on save. So now the program has been saved. Now you need to run the program. To run the program, you need to click on run in the menu bar, then run module. Now it will have the principal amount, so I'll give the value as 5000. Press enter. Time period, so I'll give the time period as 5 years, so that is 5. Enter. Rate of interest I will give as 10. Okay, so now, so according to the formula, it is what? SI is equal to P into T into R divided by 100. That means 5000 into 5 into 10 divided by 100. So among 5000, 2 zeros is cancelled with 100, that is then 2 zeros. So remaining will be 50 into 5 into 10. So 50 5s are 250. 250 into 10 will be 2500. So now you can see the result after pressing the enter key. Simple interest is 2500, principal amount is 5000, time period is 5, rate of interest is 10. If you want another output of this particular program, just come to the script mode, click on the script mode. You can click on run, or else directly you can press F5 option in keyboard. Now again it will ask enter the principal amount. Place the cursor over there in front of that one, enter the value. For example, I'll give 5000, enter. Time period as 3 years, enter. And rate of interest I will give as 6. So now 5000 into 3 into 6 divided by 100. So 2 zeros and 2 zeros will be cancelled. It will be 50 into 3 into 6. So 50 into 3 will be 150. 150 into 6. So it will be around 900. So it is what? simple interest is equal to 900, principal amount is 5000, time period 3, rate of interest 6. In this way we can write a program to find simple interest in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, place the video link in the various social networks which you will be using. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.